Hi students, previous day I discussed about the Legislative Assembly. Today I will discuss about the Legislative Council. Yes, the State Legislative Council is the upper house in those states of India that have a bicameral state legislature, the lower house being the State Legislative Assembly. Its establishment is defined in Article 169 of the Constitution of India. Now, the qualifications remain in the same as those of the Legislative Council, except that to the member of the council, an individual must not be less than 30 years of age. The Legislative Council is a permanent body and cannot be dissolved. The Legislative Council elects a chairman and deputy chairman from among them, presides over the working of the council. And powers and function of the Legislative Council, as discussed earlier, the Legislative Council cannot introduce the money bill even for the ordinary bill. It is the will of the Legislative Assembly that prevails. It may delay or suggest amendment to the ordinary bill. Now come to the state executive. First is the governor. I told you early days that the governor is the head of the state. The administration of the state is carried on in his name, but the actual responsibility is of the chief minister and his council of ministers. Now, qualification for the governor is they should be a citizen of India. They must not be less than 35 years of age. They must not be member of either of the two houses of parliament or the state legislature. They must not hold any government office. The governor is appointed by the president for a term of 5 years. Now, the functions of the government. The function of the government is there are executive powers, discretionary powers, legislative powers, financial powers and judicial powers. Now come to the point about the chief minister and the council of ministers. The governor appoints the leader of the majority party as the chief minister, who then advises them on the appointment of other ministers of the council. Next, come the powers and function of the chief minister. The chief minister is the leader of the council of ministers. They are the vital link between the governor and the council of ministers. Their main powers are direct the ministry and determine the policies, supervise the administrative of the state, allocate, reallocate or take back portfolios from their ministers, coordinate the working of various ministers. Powers and function of the council of ministers. The functioning of the state government takes place through various departments. These departments are headed by ministers. Their function is to run the department according to the policies laid down by the council of ministers. The council of ministers introduces necessary bills in the assembly and get them approved. Okay, thank you.